So we got here, big thing with our toe touches, we need to work on landing with our feet together. So let me see you do a couple toe touches, landing with your feet together. Ready?
You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know.
I always get nervous about doing arms like this in choreography, like when you're at the age you are, because you have to be able to do your toe touch from here as well, and be able to do your toe touch from here, right? And not always doing them from arms up, so just know. But this, I want to do a toe touch, and I want you to focus on getting your feet back together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up! Did you land with your feet together? Kind of doesn't count. We need to be... Right? Ready? Just point that foot, Cam. That was a good toe touch, though. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up. Remember when you do a toe touch, think about plie, releve, up and back down. Yes? Again, ready? Yes. So it's not jump, jump, toe touch. It's releve. I said it backwards last time. Releve, plie, up. Ready? That'll be really hard. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up. Feet. Slam those feet back together, right? Remember when my gymnasts will know this. When you go into a toe touch, it's like how you would go into like a back handspring, right? You know how you you know how you sit, that feeling? Yep, and that should be the same feeling when you go into a toe touch, okay? A lot of us tend to go prep for a toe touch and bend our knees forward. That's going to make it hard. You want to trigger these muscles. Those are your muscles you need to jump from, your glutes, right? Yeah? So try, but guess what? It might, the first time you do it, your toe touch might feel worse, but you want to do it right because then as you gain the correct muscle, it's going to get better. That was better feet you just had. Ready? You are not bad at toe touches. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up. Lou, don't look at the ground. Try to keep your back up. Yep, you want to keep working, bringing them together. Let's do this. Get a partner really quick. Really fast. Okay, ready? So you're going to help your partner. We're going to do just like the assisted toe touch just a little bit, okay? So like Cameron's going to demonstrate here, and I'm going to come behind her, okay? We're going to do just a little. She's going to go, you're just going to do your toe touch. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait, no, prep on 1. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up. Okay, so I'm just giving her just a little assist, yeah? I barely lifted you, though. Okay, do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up. Just a little lift. They do. Okay. So you're just, be careful. You are still, hey, the person doing the toe touch is still doing the most work. This is just helping give you that little extra so you can think about your technique, okay? Here we go. With your partner, you can count for them. So Lou, what I want you to think about doing, what you're trying to do is you're going from here and you're trying to bring your leg up right away. You need to think about this. Do this for me. Go releve, plie. I want you to jump straight up, not split your legs, but just point your feet and jump straight up into a T as high as you can go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up. Even higher, plie more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, releve, plie, up. Okay, that feeling? Now what I want you to think is do that same exact feeling, but at the height of that is when you're gonna lift your legs, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up. Okay, that was so much better. Now you need to use that plie more. Try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up. So you can get your legs there. It's just strengthening them so you can push and use that plie to get them up, okay? Keep working on it. Make sure you alternate partners. That's good. Just point that left foot. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to watch Kennedy quick. That was better, Kennedy. They're getting better. Keep working on pulling those feet together. Yes? You want me to watch you? That's good. You're just slightly leaning a little bit. Keep working on it though. You don't have to go like, so I feel like you overthink stuff and do stuff exactly how I'm saying it. You don't have to go way back, but just don't go forward, yeah? There you go, just point that left foot, Alexa. That was better. Watch that back. Do it again. Just trying to watch from this angle. Back up, back up. That was better. Point that left foot a little bit more. Plie, hop! That was better. It's just keep working on that strength and that snapping your legs. Snap up, pull them down. There, that was way better. You're gonna land in plie. You can't land on straight legs. You'd break your knees. But just, yeah, you don't, but the last one you just did was good and your toe touch was better on that one. So when you're thinking about it, it's better. Guess what? I always did the same thing. But keep working on it. Cora, do this drill a lot. Heel ball toe, toe ball heel. Heel ball toe, toe ball heel. Because the more you do that, you're training those muscles to, as they leave the floor, point. Or do tendus, ballet tendus, because a lot of that comes back to your basics. Point. You just ninja toe touched. Keep thinking about it. Use those muscles. Use your push. Push, push, plie, up. Yeah, you just instantly do this. Think about, pretend somebody's holding you. I'm gonna hold you again. You're gonna do it good. Ready? Go. Boom and hop. Push. Give me more push. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hop. Don't look at the ground. Look up. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hop. That was better. Now pretend I'm holding you. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hop. That was a little better. But keep thinking about it. Don't look down. Okay. We gotta stop doing toe touches now for a second. Spread back out. I want to see you do these toe touches. That was good. Do one more. Let me see one more. That was really good. You just, that left foot. Once you get that left foot, your toe touches are like inverted, girlfriend. Mm-hmm. You did. Good. That picture in. It did get in the paper? I didn't know it ever got in. I didn't think they put it in. I never heard anything about it. That's okay. Some days you have days, you know? All right, let me see all together again. Here we go. You just almost toe touched Claire in the stomach. That would have not felt good. I should have felt like she got punched. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, up. Is that where you stand? Mm-hmm. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, up, down. Good. Okay, so we did